What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander using Bluetooth. Also, once you pair your phone, if you're using an iPhone, it will allow you to use Apple CarPlay. And I am going to be demonstrating on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and go into your Bluetooth menu and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, I'm going to click the phone button from the bottom left-hand corner. And then it's going to take us through the pairing prompt. So if we take a look at our phone, we're waiting for it to pop up as Mitsubishi Motors. Once we see that pop up, go ahead and click on it. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone screen matches the PIN number on our center screen. And it does, so we'll click pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And now we're connected. And here is the option if you want to use CarPlay. So I'll go ahead and connect that. And now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.